Good morning, Jeff at Chip Wynn Classics. We got a few Chevelles out today. I'll show you a few. I've got a 69 Chevelle. I've also got a 67 Malibu convertible, beautiful car. This car was in storage for a long time in a private collection. I've also got another 67 Chevelle convertible that was in a museum for over 25 years. Got a black 67 Chevelle also, factory air car. This car was also in a museum for over 25 years. It's stunning. You need to really come check this car out. I've got a 72 Chevelle. Very nice car, red, beautiful paint, bucket seat car, 350, new wheels. Come on down to Chip Wynn Classics and check us out.
So first up here, Jeff Brogdon, Chip Wynn Classics. Tell me what you got inside today.
I've got a Consignment 1958 BMW Isetta. Very rare car. It's been completely restored. It's a cool little car.
What does consignment mean, Jeff?
Where we take your car, we sell it for you with a small commission.
Nice. And where can they learn any more about
They
that?
can go to our website, chipwinnclassics.com.
Nice. Awesome. Wow, that's a cool one. What do we got here?
I've got a 69 MGB GT. Cool little paint scheme on got a Gulf striping on it.
Is this one automatic or manual?
This is a manual.
Nice. Here's a cool one with Halloween tomorrow. Tell about this rat rod.
This is a 35 Ford rat rod pickup. Got a beefy little 350 in it, automatic. Pretty cool little truck.
No blind spots whatsoever in this car, huh?
None.
Yeah. And it's automatic, right?
Automatic.
Nice. My favorite part's always in the back of these. These rat rods are something to see for sure. Checking it out. We do have a walk around video of this one. It's a little bit more of a challenge to do a test drive on it. So if this one's something that you are interested in investing in, Jeff can definitely test drive these for you. But you know, safety first. We always want to conserve the integrity of these cars. This one's super cool. What is this one, Jeff?
This is a 1948 Willys. Been completely restored. It's got the 4-cylinder. It's manual.
Nice.
The guy we got it from did a complete restoration on it. Every nut and bolt, frame off. It's ready to go.
The AC's even on right now, ain't it?
AC is on. And it blows cold at 55.
It blows cold at 55 miles an hour. Super cool. Y'all probably remember me driving this one. This one's one of my favorites. I got to get it in a couple times. This one we showed off at the Lakes of Paducah car show. Jeff, tell them what this one is.
This is a 37 Chevrolet truck. It's got an LT1 in it. Automatic. It's got a Mustang 2 front end, new wheels, new tires. Nice little driving truck.
It is fun, guys. This one is a nice truck. I've driven it, like I said, a couple times. She shifts like she should. She holds to the road like she should and everything. New stainless and wood in the bed, right?
New stainless, new wood. Got
Nice
leather
stuff.
seats, leather bucket seats.
Then we got an award show winner behind us.
This is a 46 Ford sedan. It's got the flathead V8 in it. 3 on the tree. This is a beautiful car. And it's got a trunk full of trophies. Good looking interior in it. And we've got a really good price on this one.
Where is it currently processed of today?
$22,900.
Nice.
And it's an all steel car, no fiberglass.
Awesome. Fan favorite as we're walking up to it. Tell us about this awesome Dodge, Jeff.
This Dodge is awesome. It's a 57 Dodge pickup. It's got a 350 in it, 700R transmission. This truck's got airbags on the front. You can drop it down even lower than it sits right now. Brand new interior, headliner, door panels, carpet.
Yeah, it's a little dark, I apologize. Yeah, it's a little dark, I apologize, guys, but we do have a full walk around video on this truck, as well as him demonstrating lowering the bags on the front end. Once again, we are under construction here, getting his pretty little showroom up and going, so make sure you pop over, and if you're liking what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. We always appreciate all of y'all, but we do, like I said, have a test drive and walk around video up of this one right now, so check her out for sure. I just wanted to come around and highlight her. Y'all like it, so I'm gonna walk around that one. Land barge coming up next.
Got a 76 Cadillac DeVille, 49,000 original miles. This is a local car we found in a guy's garage. Bought it, went through, checked everything out, got it running good, got all the brakes working on it. This car's got power windows, tilt, cruise, power seats. It's loaded up, and it is a land barge ready to cruise.
All original, guys. Check that out. Nice.
Next, we got a 2002 Camaro SS 35th anniversary convertible with only 30,000 original miles, and it's a 6-speed. Beautiful car.
Very nice car.
Next, I got a 41 Ford pickup. It's got a 350 with a 4-speed manual transmission, vintage air, super nice truck. We just put new interior in the truck. It's got tilt. It's road ready.
It even comes with a little placard too, guys. So that way when you're set up at car shows, you know what you got.
Next, I've got a beautiful 34 Chevrolet. This is a consignment car. Immaculate car. It's 350 transmission, vintage heat and air, beautiful interior, tilt, aftermarket gauges, overhead console.
And the paint on this one does something cool in the sunlight.
This car's green, but it's got a blue metallic kind of, so it turns 3 colors.
Very cool.
Blue, sometimes it's green, sometimes it's purple.
You can kind of see that as it hits the sunlight coming from the doors. Super cool car. Such a nostalgia with those. Fresh up.
Next, we got a LS Swap 55 Chevrolet. We just got this car. This is a consignment car. This is a good friend of mine's car. Unfortunately, he passed away, so I'm helping the family get rid of the car. LS Swap, he just put brand new interior leather seats in it. Got automatic transmission, new wheels, new tires. Somebody's looking for a really nice cruiser, this is it.
And we just did a full-blown video on it as well. It is up now on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check it out. You can hear it, see it, and you can drive it. It can be yours. We can have it in your driveway today, guys. Jeff offers same-day financing and shipping. We can get it to you, so hey, don't fret. Do not fret. We will put it in your driveway. We just need to know where you're at.
Next, I've got a 63 Corvair convertible. Little automatic car. This has got the 140cc motor in it. This is a local car. Very nice little Corvair. It's been well taken care of. I've got a new arrival, 1949 Plymouth business coupe, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree, all steel car.
We are about to have videos and pictures up of it too. Make sure you're checking out chipwinnclassics.com for, once again, all prices, photos, and descriptions.
Next, I've got a 1960 Ford Falcon Roadster. It's a cool little car. It's got a 302 automatic. This car's got ghost flames on it. Got metallic in the paint.
It has a surprise too, doesn't it?
It does. We have a golf cart that matches it. And we might even sell the golf cart to go with it.
That's right. Chip likes to call it Honey, I Shrunk the Kids car. There's a cool little Mustang golf cart he scoots around on.
Well, let's go back here. I got a few more. I've got a rare 95 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Brickyard pace car with only 2,000 miles on it. This car's brand new.
Even comes with a die-cast model, right?
It's got a bunch of stuff in the front. There's the original window sticker. It comes with the car. But only 2,000 miles.
2,000 miles.
This is a Dodge SRT Magnum. This car will be coming soon, and it is supercharged. This is a local car also. We've just pulled it out of the warehouse, getting it ready. I've got a 1955 Studebaker President. Very nice little car. Kind of looks like a catfish in the front.
And it came out of a collection, right?
It came out of a collection also. I've got a 1991 local trade-in Silverado 1500. Really nice truck, automatic, loaded up. And then I got this little jewel. This is a 34 Ford Highboy. It's chopped. It's a bebop body. It's got a built 496 in it. It's automatic. Got a high dollar TCI chassis under it. TCI transmission. Reverse lockout. Coilovers, disc brakes. This is a super nice car. Aftermarket gauges. And it's got the zoomies on it. I've got a 2004 convertible Thunderbird V8 car, local trade-in. Super nice car, low mileage. I think it's got 76,000 miles. I got a super price on it, 15 grand.
And if y'all didn't catch that, trade-in. So he does take trades. We do trade here, so.
Next, I've got a 73 Ford Ranchero, 351 automatic. Really nice car.
Got a walk around video up of that one on the Chip Wynn Classics YouTube page too.
Next, I've got a 55 Ford Fairlane. This car's got a fresh 302 in it. 3 on the tree. This car's only got 63,000 original miles. The motor and trans is brand new, been rebuilt this year. It's a nice little 4-door cruiser. It's got vintage air.
And we just did a video of this one for you guys too.
So come see me at Chip Wynn Classic Cars, Paducah, Kentucky on Park Avenue. Or you can call me at 270-443-1728. I've got same day financing. I've got shipping available. Just give me a call. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. And don't forget, there's more coming. Jeff is looking at classics every day, so make sure you are following and subscribing because we do have stuff daily coming in.